Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club, and welcome to the daily trading idea. This is 22nd of August 2019. So let's quickly review the one that we have been talking about yesterday and a couple of days ago. So first of all, the euro versus the Canadian. A sell opportunity has been covered yesterday. The idea of ours was to get the rally and to look for sells. So we got the rally, we got a bearish hidden divergence, and we got a beautiful continuation down. It was not as impressive and fast, but in such slow market conditions with this pair, we got a beautiful movement here for intraday trade. Now, here are the signs we always have to pay attention to when we trade, the signs where to cash out or cash out part of the positions. These signs are divergence against us. And we can see that the 1 hour chart, after completing these two legs, made a bullish divergence here, and not just the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart blocked it by a same zone bottom with a bullish divergence signs as well. This is a great place to cash out partial or full position and then look for new opportunities after fresh retraces and corrective cycles. So the euro pound worked nicely, not as big as would imagine or wish, but the opportunity paid. Thank you, Mr. Market, for that. The one before, by the way, if you missed this whole idea, then on the right corner of the video right now, you would be able to see the direct link to the EuroCAD that I shared yesterday. You can watch it there. And a couple of days ago, we've been talking about the euro pound sales, where I expected this second leg to get developing. As explained yesterday, due to lack of momentum and that we were stuck here, it was good to tighten the exposure or get out and wait for clearer setup. And what kind of clearer setup did we get? Look at this beauty. Two wave moments with a double top and a bearish divergence that came in play, and right after that we got the breakout and the lower low. Since then, everything is history, and this pair paid us massively. So for all those of you who are enjoying this run, keep it going. Pay attention to the situation where the 4 hour divergence would also meet the 1 hour chart divergence. It would be good sign to get your full profits and enjoy this move. By the way, I will be very happy and thankful if you can let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the trading opportunities I share with you and the whole concept of these daily videos. What do you think in terms of agreement or not with the videos I'm letting you know? As you know, your support back helps the channel to grow and supports back the work I do, and will be very much appreciated. So please leave your comment below. It could be anything you want, your honest view and feedback, and just hit the like button. And of course, feel free to share it with anyone you want, because these videos are completely free. And now, before I go for today's trade, which would be the Australian versus the dollar, if you watch this video for the first time, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel below. Just remember to enable the ring notification button. Also, I'd like to invite you to join my live trading rooms, and the direct link to that you can see now on the right corner of the video or below in the description. Would also like to invite you to join our free Telegram channel, and as already asked you before, leave your comment if you like the work and let me know what do you think about the trading idea I share with you. The next one for today is the Australian versus the dollar. What do we have with this pair? Currently bearish momentum on the MACD. You can see also the existence of the current moving average location is bearish, and the MACD histogram is still gaining momentum. The way it looks right now, we are still developing the second leg on the go. So on the daily chart, we also had one shot correction, no divergence formed, so I would expect a new low to be reached. By saying that, we also can clearly see that lower highs, lower lows are continuously created. This pattern seems to trying to break down, so hopefully for the bears, of course, it looks like a continuation, possible continuation. And dropping lower to the 4-hour chart, here is what we experienced. So we got this kind of descending movement, each leg getting smaller and slower. Of course, we can break it differently. We can do any kind of adjustments here. But the whole idea was one very impulsive way to the downside, a corrective movement which provided a bearish hidden divergence, cross back on the MACD to the downside, to the bearish side, and synchronization of a few time frames on the bearish view on the MACD. Then we got this kind of consolidation, which now seems to breaking it and trying to regain this momentum. Dropping to lower time frame, the 1-hour chart, we can see it also is trying to build up here some sort of lower highs, lower low structure, which represents a possible beginning of some bearish push further. So the way I see that, the Australian dollar, as long as it holds this invalidation area, should provide a nice sell opportunity. And it could straight continue from here. Little pullbacks would be acceptable, but the idea here is as long as this invalidation level holds, the view would remain bearish. And I would not be surprised if we will start to see the attempt from the pair slowly to reach the desired previous low, or ideally create a new low. So that's pretty much it for today. I invite you to join my live trading rooms to enjoy for many more trading opportunities we share day after day for you. And to do so, once again, follow the link in the description. I hope to see you with us and help you with many more ideas. Thank you for your time watching this video. I wish you a wonderful weekend to come, and I'll see you soon in a weekly forecast and with new fresh ideas on the next week. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov, Traders Academy Club. See you soon.